students, welcome to DAV Moil Public School, Sita Sawangi. I am your English teacher Gajanan sir, and today we are going to do revision of the poem of Tiger in the Zoo. Okay, so let's revise. The poem written by Leslie Norris explains the agony and hopelessness of a caged tiger that lives in a zoo. The poem explains what his life could be if he had been a free animal. The poet has tried to explain about the condition of animals that are caged by human beings for their own fun. Students, we cage the animals for our entertainment, but tiger is the symbol of brave, courageousness, excellence and power and beauty, but we cage this beautiful animal for our entertainment. So what the tiger feels in the zoo, that is well depicted in the poem. The poem begins with a description of a tiger that is very beautiful and walking in his little cage. He has a beautiful stripes on his skin and has a velvet-like soft paws. But the tiger is not happy and is quite angry about being confined in the cage. The poet says that if the tiger was not confined to the zoo cage, he could have been hiding himself behind the long grass near some water body in order to catch its prey, that is the deer. Also, he would have terrorized the residents of the villagers around the forest area. But the reality is totally opposite to this. He was confined a cage which was made up of strong building material, and he was helpless there. He could not show his power to the visitors, therefore never tried to terrorize them. The tiger is described as being powerless and agonized by the poet. He says that during night also he is alone, hearing the voice of the patrolling vehicles of police and looking at the stars. The cage life was totally changed. The tiger's life in the zoo. The poet is trying to say that the animal which is famous for its fearlessness and freedom is confined and sad due to the human beings who want to derive pleasure by looking at him in the zoo cage. So student, the poem throws light on the aspect of the hopelessness and the pathetic condition of the tiger, who is a symbol of fearlessness and freedom. But we, all human beings, only for our entertainment, we keep this beautiful nature's creature, but the beautiful creature created by nature in the zoo for our fun and entertainment. So the poet has given us the picturesque description of how the tiger feel in the cage. Okay students, so this is the end of our today's revision class, and I hope you have understood this. Thank you. Have a happy day.